Now, let's talk about reputation marketing a little bit. Here are some amazing stats on return on investment that companies are getting when investing in a reputation marketing strategy. You can see here that there was a test done by the University of California, Berkeley, and they looked at over 320 different businesses. And here's what they found. That if you increase the star rating by as little as a half of a star, you can actually increase business by 19%. 19%, that's huge. So reputation marketing is proven to increase business by at least 19% with getting a half a star rating increase online. Now that's powerful. Now let me ask you this. If we can help you increase your monthly business by 19%, would that be of interest to you? Well, of course it would. That's a huge increase for any business. That is why reputation marketing is literally exploding this year for business and why they're taking such a serious look at this. We did a very important focus group that talked about referrals. And let me ask you just to think about how much of your business is based on referrals. Would you say 10%, 20, 30, 50%? Well, reputation marketing has a huge impact on the number of referrals you'll get. More importantly, it also has a huge impact on whether those referrals will ever call you or not. So here's a question that's asked to over 350 people in a focus group. They were asked, after being referred to a business, what do you do next? About 90% of them, 87% to be exact, said they'd go online to search for company information. That's like 9 out of every 10 people. That's huge. It kind of works like this. Sally goes to work. Maybe she needs to get a neck massage, so she asks her coworker Julie for a recommendation, and Julie says, hey, I know of a great massage place. It's down the road. And then Sally says, well, what's the phone number? Julie says, I don't know, Google it. So she refers the business, but doesn't necessarily have the phone number or address on hand. So typically people go to Google and they'll Google it online to find out more information. And that's just kind of commonplace, right? Well, here's the most important question. After being referred to a business and they go online, what do they do next? And here's what we found. 52% look for online reviews and ratings. So 5 out of every 10 people that are referred to your business will go online and look for your reviews. And if they don't find them, or if they're negative reviews, then the chances of them picking up that phone to call you are very, very slim. And 35% of them will actually go to your website. 13% will go to your social media sites like Facebook or LinkedIn to find your reviews. So it's very important that you see how prospects' shopping behaviors have dramatically changed even compared to just 2 or 3 years ago. Reputation management, again, was a great strategy for businesses in the 80s and 90s, and maybe even in the early 2000s. But in today's market, it's all about reputation marketing. It's going to take you and your business to the whole next level of performance. Now, let me ask you a quick question. Does reputation impact online or traditional marketing? So does it impact TV and magazine ads? Does it affect newspaper, radio, or direct mail? Or just SEO? Or how about social media and website marketing? What do you think? Well, it's actually all of them. People typically don't remember your phone number from a newspaper or radio ad, but they do remember your name. They do remember that special offer along with your name or your products, and they'll type that in. Or if they see you in a magazine, and then they'll go online and try to look up your name, and then what happens when they go online? Again, your reputation is going to be front and center, and they'll immediately be making a decision on whether they should call you or not. If you want them to call you, you've got to have positive reviews in their face and everywhere they look. Reputation impacts all of your marketing, including referrals. Let me define reputation marketing for you. And let me do it just by quoting Wikipedia, because I think it's interesting that this isn't something that's been around for 20 years. This is a new, innovative approach that's crushing it for businesses. Wikipedia says the reputation marketing field has evolved from the marriage of the fields of reputation management and brand marketing. Now, we just talked about reputation management in the beginning and saying that's really a defensive posture. Well, then brand marketing is a very expensive endeavor. So when you do brand marketing, you're trying to market your swish or your logo or your colors. You can't track that ROI very well. So I think both of these strategies for huge companies could be effective, but for local businesses, they're not very effective at all. So what we did is we dropped the management and brand and combined the two into a new strategy that is incredibly effective for local businesses, which is reputation marketing. We define reputation marketing as building a 5-star reputation and then market your reputation to get more customers. So it's a 2-step approach. Step 1, we build that 5-star reputation, and then 2, market that reputation to get more customers.